Hello, y'all. This is Greg Flores, founder of Soul Solutions. I'm out visiting a recently completed job here in Dallas, Texas. We just recently installed thermal break aluminum, and we wrapped the brick mold with matching aluminum wrap to provide a maintenance-free, energy-efficient window solution. You can see the light green tint is the low-E glazing that everybody's talking about. That's Cardinal 366. On this particular project, it had wood brick mold here and a wood mole in between, and we gave the option to the homeowner to wrap that in a matching flat sheets of aluminum that we bent on site to give it a more finished look and feel, as well as offering a maintenance-free solution later on to free them up from the burdens of having to paint and caulk later on. If you like the windows you see and the work that we did here, please visit our website at ntxsol.com. My name is Greg Flores, and I'm the founder of Soul Solutions. Thank you.
Greg Flores, the gosh darn it guy with Soul Solutions.